everybody. This is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm gonna do a little quick tour on how everything's going. I went to Disneyland with my family. I'll link up a video in the screen right now of a cool ride we went on. I still have to edit some more videos from Disneyland. But while we were gone, there was a heat wave that went through my area here in Central California, Zone 9B. One of those days hit, I believe it was 111. And now it's back down to 100. In a few days it'll be 99, 98. But I wasn't here for that 111, 112 degree weather. I think it was 112. I wasn't here. So we're gonna see how the plants did. I already previously walked. That's the first thing a good gardener does, is you run to your garden right when you leave for a while and see how the garden did without you. But I'm gonna show you, without shade cover, without anything, canopies, how everything did. Now here's the bacon avocado, and nothing. I'm very surprised with this. Nothing burnt, not even the new baby leaves. Now what you see on the leaves is kaolin clay with soap and water sprayed on it before I left. You can see how gorgeous the leaf looks. Nothing really happened, even from this direction, or the sun sets over here. The sun sets from this direction. Nothing burnt. Granted, it was sprayed. Now here is the Cherimoya. Cherimoya had a little bit more damage, you can see. Kaolin clay was sprayed on it as well. But the new leaves, they're fine. Surprisingly so. I mean, it's not really that bad. I'm surprised. But you can see how bad it can get. But without kaolin clay and heavily watering, 1 year this whole side burnt up. So it did really well. Newly planted pineapple guava, feijoa did well as well. Sprayed again as well. Brand new leaves on the Glen mango. Brand new leaves on the Manila mango. See the difference? A little bit yellowish green and red for the Manila. No damage. I'm not surprised with this one either. The mango really showed that it loves the heat, so I'm not surprised that much. Peaches are ripening really well. I'm gonna give a lot of these away again. This is the Babcock, you can see them all in there. Isn't that amazing? Look at that beautiful thing. Donut peach. The white sapote, this is Subel here. It looks sparse, but there's a lot of growth. And I think the reason why it's so open like this is because I didn't prune this tree in the winter, nor did I. This is Subel sapote, white sapote. I didn't prune this or the Vernon. You can see the Vernon here from this angle. You can see how open it is, how much, there's all the growth, the fruit, and nothing. So I need to really prune heavily this way, this winter or late fall. But you can tell, brand new leaves and flowers. Look at how gorgeous that is, by the way. God, but it's in the shade. So, God, look at all those plums. But almost everything in the sun took a beating. Some things did fine. So, you can see these leaves, they did fine. A lot of fruit this year for this tree. Vernon sapote, if you're trying to get a white sapote plant, get Vernon variety. Now, Subel helps cross-pollinate, but Vernon is a much better producer than the Subel. Cherry tomatoes producing like crazy. Of course, the heat did not affect it at all. I'm not surprised. All the fruit dropping, and the ground squirrel that eats all the fruit on the floor, of course. Hey Lulu. Here's a newly planted Loquat. I'll link up the video of when I planted this. This is how to plant a fruit tree. I'll link it up in the video right now. You can see that that temperature really scorched it. It's not even, oh, I don't know, 4 or 5 months in the ground, something like that. But sprayed it with a lot of kaolin clay. This would have been a lot worse if I didn't do that. The leaves are still alive, but they took a lot of damage. So it is what it is. It's still here, it's still alive. That's all that matters. Flavor Grenade Pluot doing extremely well. Look at all that. Amazing variety. I still have to give all these peaches away again. Look at all this. Look at this. I did a horrible job thinning this year. All right, everybody. Stay cool and happy gardening.